Okay, welcome to Call of Duty Jet. Now I will explain to you how I I record all of CODJ Call of Duty Jotisari recording, how to make it, and look at that. I use a simple tripod and have balancing for the HP, and look at that. I have a balancing in here, so I have many flexible tripod, yeah, and look at that. I use a chair, and look at that. This is the object. Okay, this is the shoe, and this is the background is my what is this, my lemari pakaian is dress box. Okay, this is a good way to make to recording anything look like professional, but I did with simple and many simple tripod and many simple lighting and many simple tool of this set of recording area. Okay, if you think this video is useful, please share to others and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.